Lorex has introduced a great new camera to its wireless lineup with the full-featured LNWiHD. The stylish and solid white polycarbonate chassis features robust connections to a variety of mounting hardware. Part of the active deterrence line, this camera can be mounted in a variety of locations around your home, both indoors and outdoors. Included in the kit is an angled bracket that can be used to mount the camera on a desk or ceiling. Simply screw the camera to the base with a few turns. Also included in the kit is a wall mounting attachment. Just rotate the mount onto the threaded ball socket. Both attachments allow the ball socket to move the camera freely into the desired position. The camera is fully weatherproof with an IP65 water rating. The camera performs flawlessly in a broad range of temperatures from -4 to as high as 122 degrees Fahrenheit. Aside from the stylish design, the camera delivers stunning, high-quality 1080p video in a wireless configuration. Simply connect the camera to a power source and the video is transmitted via Wi-Fi through your home router and to any of your selected mobile devices. Lorex has also integrated both a speaker and microphone that allows the user to communicate with visitors or possible trespassers. The camera can also record audio if this option is user-enabled. The speaker can also deliver a loud siren if enabled on the Lorex Home app. The camera also features a super bright LED to deter unwanted individuals and to provide extra light for the desired area. The camera has a large passive infrared motion sensor which is designed to detect heat from moving objects such as people, animals, and vehicles, thereby keeping unwanted false notifications to a minimum. Using the Lorex Home app for both iOS and Android, the camera can show both standard definition and high definition images. Night vision performance is impeccable with a range of 65 feet. The 2 megapixel sensor and 2.8mm lens delivers a massive field of view of 135 degrees, perfect for front door or driveway installations. The camera records motion-activated video to an internal MicroSD card, which can be upgraded by the user to as high as 128 GB of storage. Lorex has integrated HEVC or high-efficiency video codec into this Wi-Fi camera. This codec, best known as H.265, helps to keep file sizes small while maintaining great video quality. The key to this amazing camera is the superb Lorex Home app. Simply download the app on your phone or mobile device and connect the camera to your Wi-Fi router. Review the motion-activated recordings through the daily menu timeline or watch the camera live both day and night. The Lorex Deterrence Kit includes everything you need to install this camera. A quick start guide helps you get going fast. Mounting screws and hollow wall anchors are included, along with a USB-style power adapter. Several plastic cable straps are supplied to help secure the USB power cable. The kit also includes a small tool that allows you to access the service compartment cover, protecting the MicroSD card. The new 1080p Active Deterrence Wi-Fi camera from Lorex will deliver great video quality for all your security needs.